What's up, you guys? I'm gonna be showing you guys today how to pay your Oregon permits. I already have an account. You have to set up an account directly through OregonTruckingOnline.com. Sometimes you get asked to do a deposit. I think my deposit that they asked me was for 2,300. But what I'm trying to show here today is how to do the report. My report is done monthly. So, and I know that I have an old report that I didn't do from May. I got the letter today saying that I'm gonna get my account suspended. So let's get this one here done. And what I just did there, if you go back and you put no, did you have any Oregon mileage, and you put no, and you did have Oregon mileage, they basically will tell you that you do have Oregon mileage that you do have to pay. Just making sure you guys keeping it real here. So basically, there you go. So now you have, your trucks are gonna show up. You put the mileage that you went through, the tax rate, you get here the amount, and then this here for me is my late payment, 1375, and then that's it. We just this is it. You fill out the information, and then you're good to go. Then they'll take you. You're gonna add this to your shopping cart, and then after that, it's when you pay. But yeah, it's pretty simple, straightforward.